Hi, I'm Sergeant Amy Lynch with the Fredericksburg Police Department. The Fredericksburg Police Department and Mary Washington Healthcare are working together on a project for car seat safety and passenger safety. Car seats and booster seats are so important because car crashes are the leading cause of death in children ages 1 to 13 years old. There are 4 different types of seats. There's a rear facer, which is when a newborn baby is facing backwards in the vehicle. There's a forward-facing seat when the child has surpassed the age of 2 years old, which is by Virginia state law, and has met the height and weight requirement of a rear-facing seat and has graduated to the forward-facing seat. And then there's the booster seat. Again, the child must pass the height and weight requirements of the forward-facing car seat. After the booster seat, you have a regular seat belt. When you get your car seat, make sure that it's within the expiration date. That date can be found on a sticker located on the car seat. Also ensure that your car seat has never been involved in a car crash. When you purchase a car seat, it comes with a registration card. Please ensure that you fill this out and mail it back, as this will help keep you up to date on any recalls that occur with your car seat. It's important to have your car seat properly installed to ensure the safety of your baby or child at any point while they're riding in a vehicle. A certified car seat technician is any person that goes to the week-long school. It can be a civilian, a police officer, a firefighter. They get certified in installing booster seats, car seats, rear-facing, forward-facing car seats, and they learn how to install these properly to ensure the safety of your children. A car seat should be installed prior to going to the hospital or going into labor. However, if that's not possible, we can install and inspect your car seat at any time. With the addition of extra toys such as mirrors or dangling objects from a rear-facing car seat, it's suggested that you don't have those on there because during a car crash they could fall off and injure the child, and they're also not car crash tested with that specific car seat. It's suggested that children do not wear heavy clothing while in a car seat, whether it's forward-facing or rear-facing. We want the seatbelt on the child as secure as possible, and heavy clothing can prevent the seatbelt from sitting properly on the child and could put them at risk for injury. Once a child has graduated from the booster seat and have moved on to a regular seatbelt, we suggest that they remain in the back seat as long as possible for their safety, and we also suggest that parents talk to their children about seatbelt safety. As soon as the parents buckle up, the children will buckle up as well. Vehicles are different and so are car seats. Please refer to your vehicle manual and the car seat manual for proper install. And just know that you can always come to the Fredericksburg Police Department and have a certified technician install the car seat for you. The Fredericksburg Police Department offers car seat inspections on Tuesdays and Thursdays between 8 a.m. and noon. We also offer them Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by appointment only. When you arrive at the police department, please make sure you have your vehicle manual, your car seat manual, and your car seat ready to go.